Sir,
Good evening, all my dear students. Myself, Professor A.S. Kashid. I am teaching you theory of machine 2 practicals. So, today our experiment is centrifugal governor. So, as you know, governor is a device which is required to regulate mean speed of engine. Why to regulate mean speed of engine? Because parts of the engine are made up of metal, and to increase life of engine parts, it is expected that speed of engine should be constant. But because of road conditions, sometimes speed of engine increases, sometimes speed of engine decreases. Particularly in case of four-stroke engine, there is fluctuation of speed in case of engine. So today we will see this centrifugal governor device. So let us take example of one truck. It is moving up. When truck is moving up, road resistance increases, load on engine increases, speed of engine decreases. So speed of governor decreases and these fly balls moves down and sleeve also moves down. Sleeve operates bell crank operates throttle valve to increase speed of the engine. So now let us take second case. When truck is moving down, road resistance decreases, speed of engine, load on engine decreases, speed of engine increases, fly ball moves radially outward, sleeve moves up, which operates bell crank, which operates throttle valve to decrease flow of charge. So remember what governor is doing. Governor is trying to keep engine speed constant. So today this is Hartnell governor. So this is centrifugal governor. It consists of spindle which is mounted on engine shaft, upper arm, fly ball, lower arm, sleeve, spring. So this is sleeve moment. So now this is dimmer. This is dimmer. We can increase or decrease the speed of governor with the help of dimmer. We can increase or decrease the speed of governor. So in today's experiment, we will see. Now I am going to take only one reading. Now I have kept this speed. So what is the speed? We will see the speed. Speed is observed with the help of this speedometer. Now just see where this sleeve moment is. Now let us increase the speed. Now sleeve moment is increased. So what I want to say, for different speed, sleeve distance, sleeve moment is different. So remember, when speed of engine increases, governor speed also increases. When speed of engine decreases, governor speed also decreases. So we have to prove that for specific speed there is specific radius. So this is in case of centrifugal governor. We have seen the speed in this experiment. We have seen the sleeve moment in this experiment, and that is our aim of study. Thank you.